Hi guys, I made a promise to you. Okay, that's on the crypto Niche community on WhatsApp. I told you that I was going to introduce you to a content creation bounty where you could earn dollars from your effort, and the condition is that you're going to give minimum of 20 reactions to that post. And within a few minutes, less than an hour, you did it. Okay, it was done. And even right now, the likes, reactions are increasing on that post. So you've done your own part. Okay, your part has been done, so it is not left for me to do my own part too. Okay, so this is my own part of the bargain. Okay, you fulfilled your own, and I'm about to fulfill my own. So if you're watching now, make sure that you watch this guide to the end. Okay, you get why. Make sure you watch this tutorial or guide to the end, because I'm going to be giving you a kind of some tips that will help you to maximize your success as far as this content creation bounty is concerned. Okay, I understand that quite a number of you are not familiar with bounty writing, you're not familiar with crypto writing, you're not familiar with videos and all that. Don't worry, I got you covered. Okay, I got you covered. So just listen and pay full attention. That is all that you need. Okay, so now when you say content creation bounty, it could be video, it could be article, it could be infographics, it could be graphic designing, you know. So these all of these they are content creation. It could even be podcast, So the thing is that a couple of you know more than 90% of crypto projects relies on organic traffic, organic marketing, word of mouth, because it is hard for crypto startups to launch ad campaign on Facebook, Twitter, on Google, YouTube. It's quite difficult for them because they may be asking for some documents, some licenses and all that. So even if they manage to run advert on those platforms within 2 3 days or few hours, they kind of bring down the adverts. Okay, and the cost of advertising on those platforms is quite heavy. Okay, even though the result is not even guaranteed. Okay, when was the last time you clicked on the crypto hack? Let me ask you. Okay, when was the last time you clicked on a project advertisement? Maybe like you see Arbitrum is making using advert on Facebook. Okay, when was the last time you clicked on it? So the thing is that crypto and organic marketing they are like five and six, honestly. Okay, so now what these people want you to do is to write for them so that more people will get to know about them. Okay, thereby coming to the community and interacting with their projects. That's what they want from you. So as long as you can do this, then they want to reward you. They want to reward you bountifully. Okay, bountifully. So the word bounty is an old English word, but it is now being popularized more by the crypto projects, by the crypto industry. So it's an opportunity for you to earn income by contributing. Look at this word, contributing. What they want you to contribute your knowledge, your writing skills, your video skills, So these are things that they want from you. To TRDEX, with your content creation skills like writing and video marketing. Can you see that? So let's go back to this now. This is the reward pool. Okay. Oh, and about over 80 million, of the token for video and over 45 million of the token for article. Now, to submit this is not hard. Okay, basically all you have to do is to join their Telegram channel. Okay, sorry, Telegram group here. Just click on this link to join their Telegram group. Send link to your video or article to any or of the admins. Tag them in the group. Tag them. Tag the admin, and you post the link to that group. Then tag the admin. Okay, they know that you are going to do this, so they did not restrict you from sending link to their Telegram group. Normally, crypto projects or a serious crypto community do not allow people to spam with links. Please do not go there and spam with links. Okay, I beg you, don't go there and spam them because if you spam them with links, they will disqualify you. So your work will be reviewed manually by the admins, okay, and then the rewards is going to be distributed every 2 weeks, okay. And look at this: outstanding performance and passion for the project may lead to a promotion as an ambassador. Let me make that control B. Yeah, ambassador. Can you see that? So you have to put in your effort, your best possible effort. So there are minimum requirements for bounty submissions, okay, but it's not hard. Honestly, it's not hard. So for video creation, okay, you have to go on YouTube channel, make a video about them, talk about them, read extensively about them. If there's anything you don't know, go back to your Telegram group and ask questions. Ask Abby some questions about the project. Okay, then make sure you do a very good video. Like if they should ask you to sell them to the rest of the world, okay, do a video as if you are actually selling them by not selling them. Okay, so don't be too, it's not about marketing, 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 just do a normal review. What you think is good about them. If there's anything that is bad about them, also state it in the review. Make it a balanced opinion. Okay, a balanced opinion. Don't let this make, don't make it look like it is marketing, it's about promotion. No. Okay, so that's what you have to do, and make sure the video have a high quality. If you don't have a good microphone, make sure that you get from a friend. Okay, the audio, it should be audible. Okay, it should be audible. It should be clear enough. Okay, and there should be call to action like, okay, please, if you like this project and it looks like something you want to, um, join the group through this link so that more people can join their Telegram group. Okay, so and also on YouTube, this is where I'm going to help you. Okay, many of you would like to do video because the reward for video is more, isn't it? You like to do the video, but you don't even have up to 2 or 3 subscribers on your channel. So if that is the case, okay, even though I do not encourage this, but for the sake of this, for this bounty, go to the Telegram channel. This is the Telegram channel here. Okay, once you create a YouTube channel, okay, all you have to do all you have to do basically is to go to Telegram channel and post the link to your YouTube channel and ask people to follow you, to subscribe to your channel. Okay, I'm giving you that privilege between now and end of this week, which is Friday. Okay, after Friday, if anybody should spam or if anybody should drop link to the YouTube channel, okay, it is going to be marked as spam and to be removed from the channel right there, to be removed from the channel and also from the group. So take note of that. Do not spam after Friday this week. Do not spam with the link to your YouTube channel. So, but for now, you are allowed. So drop link to your channel so that the other guys in the group, in the community will follow you so that you can achieve these targets. Okay, because if you don't have these requirements, no matter what you submit, they are not going to accept it. So you can make videos in probably pidgin English, you can make video in English, in French language, in Portuguese if you want. So and the minimum video length should be like 3 minutes. So I will encourage that you make between 5 minutes and 7 minutes, possibly if you can. Okay. Then once you make the video, share it within, share it here. Okay. I'm not making a post about this. Okay. I will make a post about this bounty in the Telegram channel. This is Telegram channel. Okay. So under that post, you can post the link to your video so that other guys in the community can help you to like the video. Does it make sense to you now? Okay, to like the video. So when they like the video, it will trigger the algorithm to show it to more people across the world. Okay, that is the essence. So now, and they're going to give you a reward. Okay, if you do a very good video, you could earn up to this. Okay, then if the video is superb, they can give you extra reward for that. Okay, so then for those who are going to be creating article, this is what you have to do. Okay, you write normally. You can publish on Steemit, on Forex, Cointelegraph, LinkedIn, Reddit, on your personal blog, or any other mainstream platforms. You can even make it like a kind of thread on Twitter, okay, and post it there. So write it has 500 words, please, okay, and it can be written in any language of your choice, okay. Then if you don't have a Medium account, create a Medium account now, all right. Or if you don't have an account on PublishOX, you should create an account right away. Okay, so the minimum reward for this, is 14 million. Okay, and if it is quality enough, it can give you extra reward, for putting in a lot of effort into that. Okay, so guys, To get more update about crypto bounties, join this Telegram channel. If you're watching this for the first time, click on this link to join the Telegram channel. At the moment, we have close to 1,000 subscribers right there. Real people, organic, real people, not bots, real, 100%. So just go right there and subscribe to the channel. Okay, then when you subscribe, make sure that you turn on notification for more videos like this. Otherwise, you're going to miss out on a lot of updates in the Telegram channel. Okay, so why did I say you should join the Telegram channel? Okay, for so many reasons. Aside bounties, I post free signals. Okay, even though you're not in my private group, okay, you're not in trade to earn private group, I still go, all the way out and post some free trade analysis, right there in the Telegram channel. Okay, if you go here now and if you scroll up, you're gonna be seeing a couple of signals are posted, a short signal on WorldCoin, another short signal on Bitcoin Cash. Can you see that? Okay. If you look at this is the analysis. Okay, right here. So also, if you're active on TradingView, okay, I'm going to invite you to also go to TradingView right now. Okay, go to TradingView right now, and all you have to do basically is to come here. Okay, search for crypto niche here. Just search for crypto niche. Something like this. Crypto niche. Okay, then hit the enter button here. Then you can see right there. So right now, join the rest of the over 40 followers. Is a new account. Okay, even though I've been here for the past 2 years, but it's just now I started posting my trade ideas in the channel on the platform. So if you look at this now, this was updated today. Okay, and that trade has actually gotten to the first take profit level. Can you see that? So if you don't want to miss out on those analyses, make sure that you join the Telegram channel right away. So in the comments box, you're going to see a pinned comment in the comment box. That is where you can find the link to join us. Okay, the link to join us on Telegram channel is right there. Okay, so that's it, guys, on how to participate in this bounty and improve your chance of success as far as this is concerned. Okay, for those of you who are my students, who've taken my right to earn course or a video marketing course, okay, then this should be so easy for you. Okay, if you do not have outstanding performance in this bounty, forget it. I will disown you. I will disown you. So if you've taken that course on right to earn, or if you've taken that course on video marketing, they should definitely be able to perform better than everybody else as far as this is concerned. So guys, put in your best, okay? Give your best shots. So I don't expect anything less than the best from you. So I'm gonna be seeing you guys again on the channel. If I find any useful bounty, any quality bounty that have prospect and potential also, I'm going to be sharing them with you because I know that not everybody have the capital to trade the financial market. So if you don't have the capital to trade the financial market, you can actually source for the capital through programs like this. Okay, and that could become your stepping stone into the industry fully. All right, so that's it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up, give it a like, subscribe, turn on notification. Like there's love in sharing. Okay, I'm sharing it with you because I love you. All right, I've decided to share with only the private group, which is a right to earn platform. Okay, but I didn't do this. Okay, I decided to share with everybody. So there's love in sharing. Copy the link of this video and share with your friends on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Discord, on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. Share with them. No, guys, I found this bounty, and these guys are actually giving out some rewards. Try and participate in it. Watch this video guide, so you can get more knowledge of how to participate in it. That's it. Okay, that's it. So if you ever stumble on any challenge as far as this is concerned, what I want you to do is to leave me a comment in the video, but in the comment box, rather, in the video comment box. Okay, it's not going to be okay for you to come back to me on WhatsApp and start asking me all kinds of questions. I always tell you, I promise that I'm going to respond to your question right here on YouTube. If you come on WhatsApp and you start asking me questions about this, okay, and you ignore the comment box, it's not cool, guys. It's not cool. Just leave me a comment right here. I'm not be here to reply. Okay, look at the past videos. See the comment section. See how I've been replying those comments. So what makes you think that I'm not going to come here and reply your comments? Okay, so that's it, guys. I love you. You know, I hope to see you prosper. I hope to see you make something reasonable in this industry. So bye for now and enjoy the rest of your day. Okay, lastly, I forgot to say this. This article, make sure you give it 50 claps. So 50 claps. Each person, give it 50 claps. Okay, give it 50 claps and follow me on Medium. Okay, follow me for more. Okay, I've published over 100 articles right here, helping people to achieve different things. So make sure that you follow me on Medium and give this article 50 claps. Okay, Medium is not going to charge you a fee for clapping. It's free. It's free. Give me 50 claps. So by the time I come back to this article, I want to be seeing at least 2,000 claps altogether. Yeah, that's it. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye for now.